Protein is a crucial macronutrient responsible for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Despite its importance, many people fall short of their daily protein needs, especially those with demanding fitness goals or restrictive diets. In this video, we'll explore what happens when you don't eat enough protein and why this nutrient is vital for overall health. A cautionary tale that highlights the risks of protein deficiency. This content has the potential to go viral, tapping into the growing interest in health and fitness. Muscle loss and weakness. Zone of the most immediate and noticeable effects of insufficient protein intake is muscle loss. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and repair. Without enough protein in your diet, the body starts breaking down muscle tissue to use as energy, leading to a decrease in muscle mass. Over time, this can result in muscle weakness, decreased strength, and difficulty performing daily tasks. Muscle loss isn't just a concern for bodybuilders, it affects everyone. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes even more important for mobility, balance, and preventing falls. Fatigue and low energy levels. Protein plays a key role in regulating energy levels. When you don't get enough protein, you may feel fatigued or experience low energy. This happens because protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. Without it, your body may struggle to keep your energy levels consistent, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish, even after a full night's rest. Inadequate protein intake can also affect cognitive function, making it harder to focus, think clearly, or stay productive. If you constantly feel drained or mentally foggy, it could be a sign that your diet is lacking in protein. Weakened immune system. Protein is vital for a strong immune system. Antibodies, which help the body fight off infections and illnesses, are made up of proteins. If your protein intake is too low, your body may struggle to produce enough antibodies, leaving you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Those who chronically underconsume protein might find themselves getting sick more often or taking longer to recover from illnesses. A weakened immune system also means that injuries, cuts, and wounds might take longer to heal since the body relies on proteins to repair damaged tissues. For anyone recovering from surgery, illness, or injury, eating enough protein is critical to ensure proper healing and a strong immune response. Hair, skin, and nail problems. A diet lacking in protein can have visible effects on your appearance, particularly when it comes to your hair, skin, and nails. Protein is the building block of keratin, a structural protein essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Without adequate protein, you might experience hair thinning, brittle nails, and dry, flaky skin. Hair loss is often one of the first noticeable signs of protein deficiency, as the body prioritizes other functions over hair growth. Similarly, nails may become weak and prone to breaking, while the skin can lose its elasticity and become more prone to dryness or irritation. Eating a balanced diet with sufficient protein can help maintain a healthy appearance and prevent these issues. Slow recovery from injuries. Protein is necessary for repairing tissues and building new cells. Without enough of it, your body's ability to recover from injuries slows down considerably. Whether it's healing from a workout, recovering from surgery, or mending broken bones, protein plays a key role in the recovery process. People who are protein deficient often experience slower healing times, which can affect their ability to stay active and maintain overall health. In the case of serious injuries or surgeries, not consuming enough protein can lead to complications, including weakened muscles, delayed recovery, and even prolonged hospital stays. Adequate protein intake is vital for anyone undergoing rehabilitation or recovery from physical trauma. Hormonal imbalances. Protein is crucial for producing hormones, which regulate everything from metabolism and growth to mood and reproductive health. When your protein intake is too low, it can lead to hormonal imbalances that affect various bodily functions. For example, a lack of protein may disrupt insulin production, leading to unstable blood sugar levels, which can result in mood swings and energy crashes. Hormonal imbalances can also affect reproductive health, especially in women, leading to irregular menstrual cycles or fertility issues. Ensuring you consume enough protein can help keep your hormone levels in check, supporting overall physical and emotional well-being. Increased risk of bone fractures. Although calcium is often associated with bone health, protein is just as important. Protein provides the structure for bones and helps maintain bone density. When protein intake is inadequate, bone density may decrease, leading to an increased risk of fractures and osteoporosis over time. This is particularly concerning for older adults who are already at higher risk for bone-related injuries. A diet rich in protein helps keep bones strong and healthy, reducing the likelihood of fractures and other bone-related problems, especially for individuals who engage in high-impact activities or strength training. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just trying trying to maintain your overall health, getting enough protein in your diet is crucial. By ensuring that you meet your daily protein needs, you'll support your body's natural processes and protect yourself from the negative effects of protein deficiency. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more fun protein tips from Proteiny Crazy. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more fun protein tips from Protein Me Crazy.